In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and prioritize your tasks effectively using Basecamp's My Assignments feature. This is a great way to keep track of what's important and stay organized, whether you're handling a large project or just trying to get through your day-to-day tasks. First, we'll start by navigating to the My Stuff section you can find in the top navigation bar. This is the go-to place to access your tasks and assignments quickly. Once there, you'll want to select My Assignments. This section is tailored to provide a comprehensive view of all your tasks, whether they're cards, to-dos, or steps that have been assigned to you. It's essential to navigate here because it offers a great overview of your workload. As you browse through My Assignments, identify a task that you want to focus on or prioritize. It might be something that has an approaching deadline or a task that's critical to your project's success. Once you've found it, you'll notice an up arrow, often called Up Next, situated right by the task. Clicking this arrow is your cue to bring that task into your Up Next section. This step is particularly useful for spotlighting tasks that need your immediate attention. Think of it as curating a focused list of high-priority items that you'll tackle without losing sight of the bigger picture. Now, if circumstances change, or if a task loses its urgency, you can simply click the down arrow next to the task to remove it from Up Next and move it back to its original list. This flexibility allows you to adapt to changing priorities, ensuring that you're working on the right things at the right time. Once you have tasks in your Up Next section, you have the ability to drag and drop them into the order that matches your personal priority. This feature is incredibly handy because it not only helps you visualize what you need to do next, but also gives you control over how you approach your workload. Additionally, keep an eye on the tab labeled My Assignments with Dates if your tasks have specific deadlines. This view automatically sorts assignments by their due date, offering you a clear timeline of what needs to be done and when. It's a useful complement to the Up Next section, especially when balancing urgent tasks with those that have specific time constraints. By effectively using the My Assignments feature in Basecamp, you can ensure that you're consistently working on the tasks that matter most. This strategic approach not only enhances your productivity, but also helps manage deadlines with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.